Hello everyone, my name is Shafak Dikhaya and I would like to talk about the topic on women's safety. Now, safety of women is a very crucial topic because crimes against women are very common all around the world. We have seen that women are judged based on their appearances, their behavior, and everything, and any crime which happens against a woman is deemed as her fault, which is totally wrong. In India, in every 15 minutes, a rape occurs. Now, that is very alarming because think about it, how unsafe our streets are and how unsafe it is for women to just freely go around and be herself. Day by day, the crimes against women keep on increasing, and we need to stop this now. Every woman in my life that I have ever met has told me that they have gotten creepy glances from strangers in public places when they travel in public transport, and eve teasing happens a lot everywhere. And one of the most natural biological process which happens to women, the menstruation cycle, is considered as a taboo topic here in India. Many women are afraid to talk about it or ask for help about it because they feel ashamed, because the people have put a mindset that it is an impure thing and women should not touch anything, or women should not do anything, or everything they touch or do will considered impure because the whole process is deemed like that, which is totally bizarre if you think about it. Like, this should not be the mindset of people. This is a totally natural biological process which happens to every woman. At last, I would just like to say that I hope in the future the world is a much better and safer place for women to live in, where they can go out and express themselves without being afraid of getting judged or getting creepy glances from complete strangers for their appearance or behavior in any way. And although girls and boys are biologically different, they are still human, and all humans are entitled to their equal rights, and therefore, girls should be given equal rights and opportunities just as the boys, and their safety should be ensured.